Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best nail polishes available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Abitzon Nail Polish. The nail polish set is non-toxic, eco-friendly, non-irritating. There is no formaldehyde, toluene or DBP chemicals. This unique formula make it quickly dry in about 60 seconds without lamp baking. Let your fingers soak in warm water for a while and you can easily tear the nail polish down. You can wash and clean hands thoroughly and then apply 2 layers of polish followed by 1 layer of top coat for good coverage. Lastly, wet the nails after 4 hours for a longer durability. At number 5 we have Nicole Nail Polish. This 15-piece mini nail polish collection from Nicole Miller gives you multiple color options to try. The set comes with 15 glossy mini nail polishes in various shades ranging from pinks, purples, blues, glossy shades and glitter shades. You can upgrade your beauty collection so you can breeze through every season with a fresh manicure that complements and matches your wardrobe staples. These mini bottles let you experiment to find a perfect new style. At number 4 we have Kleancolor Nail Polish. The Kleancolor comes 12-piece set of nail polish. It comes with its variety of shades. This nail polish set would be the perfect gift for the nail polish lovers in your life. At number 3 we have Savvyland Nail Polish. Savvyland Solid Pudding Cream Gel Nail Gel Polish set has 12 different shades of popular and trendy colors and comes with 15 pieces nail brushes. It can be used for flat painting, gel paint or nails embellish, etc. Savvyland Cream Solid Pudding Gel has a unique non-floating feature, makes it easier to carry and store without worrying about leaking. It is friendly to nail art beginners, not as easy to make a mess as ordinary gel paint. At number 2 we have Meat Nail Polish. This exquisite package comes with 3 different painting brushes and very suitable freely to paint the patterns you want, even the most intricate designs on your nails. And the painting pen more better than line nail brush attached to the bottle cap. These features can help us to get nail art like geometric nails, French manicure nails. Whether it is a beginner or a nail salon, you can easily draw beautiful nails. At number 1 we have Perry Nail Polish. The Spring Summer Pastel Macaron Color Nail Polish set is made from 9 non-toxin ingredients, which make the UV gel nail polish safe and low odor. You can do your nail DIY at your will without any harm to your nails. Each layer only need to apply with a thin layer of color nail gel polish. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best nail polishes for your need.